What up, fam? I'm with Ray.
But he's not my
Yes, it is. Yeah, it is.
It's my...
It's your... Yeah. That's Kaya. She works at Land.
Hi.
We're riding what?
Silver Safari.
It's her favorite, right?
It is not my favorite.
Not your favorite, but like you like it.
I do like it. Who doesn't like it though? Are you serious?
I'm just kidding. We're gonna have fun. Bye.
Hello, everyone.
We're not getting on this one. Yeah. I'm so confused. Okay, just go to the second one. Okay.
We are row 3.
Seen in their head shape as well as their feeding methods. Much like the draft deal, copy is a browser, which means it'll go for leaves higher up in the trees. And because of their weight, they're known as negatively buoyant, which means that while they don't float, they will run or gallop along the bottom of the riverbed's fire.
It's a freaking lion and lioness.
The warthogs are Africa's largest growing
Oh my gosh.
animal.
How'd you like it?
Me?
Yes.
Okay. I love that ride.
Okay.
And I forgot how much I loved it until I went on it. But wow, that is so good. It's so good.
I saw a freaking lion.
Yeah.
I would never see them. Never. Never. I saw an ostrich for 0.2 seconds. That was kind of depressing. We need to go that way.
Yeah.
I got us a fast pass for something. Are you excited?
Yeah, I don't know what it is. Tell me, that's fine.
It's not.
You want me to tell you?
Yeah, sure.
Actually, you need to guess it.
I need to guess it.
Of course.
Okay, it's not dinosaur or flight of passage. I don't know.
Yeah, it's not dinosaur flight of passage. What else is there?
Not either.
Yeah, because I already got that.
This one.
Of course.
So, other things, what other things have we passed out? Everest?
Yeah.
You guys Everest pass us? Claudia, you're amazing.
We're going now. Bye.
Oh my god. Oh no.
There's no tracks. Best Stacy. I'm dead. Okay. You know, she's like the theme song for my vlog is that song.
That's incredible.
I know.
I feel like we should just go back.
Are we stuck? Yes, we're stuck. Nope. Okay. Where are we at? Look how awful this looks. I can't stand it. Did you like? Oh, we met characters.
Yeah, we met Lucy and we met Donald. He was kind of tired today.
Yes.
He had good interaction with us. That was good. I'm tired.
He was a bop.
It was amazing.
He was pretty cool.
Like right in front of us, there's this little girl who looked kind of scared, and Donald was just the best with her.
Honestly, it was great. Then he was flirting with these girls beforehand.
Yeah.
He didn't flirt with us.
No.
But he talked about his
he
boat.
Saluted us because
Yeah.
he saw my yacht club and something on my sweatshirt. And he's like, "Your boat?" And I was like, "Yeah."
I didn't know what he was asking.
Just like you.
Yeah. Anyways, we're seeing the Nemo musical, and I'm not excited, but she's excited, so that's all that matters.
This is my favorite show.
Where are we going? Where are we going?
Dinosaur!
Duh. How did you like the musical?
Like I said, best show on Disney property. Are you
I am awful.
You can't get away from
I'm real mad. I'm really mad, actually. But I'm really upset right now.
Yeah, like
There's no animatronic.
they made her scream.
We're doing this thing. We ate dinner. It was great. And what else did we do? Meet Minnie and Mickey and what else?
That's it.
For the last time on this, did we? Oh, we met Donald. Did I say that? Hello.
Hi. No, sorry. I thought that was a selfie. But nice.
Oh no, sorry. You're good.
Hey, spinners, it's Chester here, reminding you for your safety to stay seated with that seatbelt fastened.
I know. For that mess. We named that thing over there. You see him? His name's Sabrina. We don't like him. Hello. Hi. This doesn't work like park it. What?
What?
I said this doesn't look like carpet. I said park it. I'm dead. But oh well. Okay, lovely humans. We've been here since. What? It's like
Here, or like here?
this one.
This one. Okay. A little bit.
Yeah. We thought it started at 8 o'clock. And what time does it start?
8:30.
Oh well.